Hey, oh, stop right there. You creators have been using YouTube wrong this whole time. They have just released a powerful new AI agent model that can actually get into your data, look at your metrics, the metrics specific to you, and not only give you insight, but you can chat with it and get advice on how best to grow. Now, this matters because a lot of information we get is from secondhand, third-hand parties that are saying, this worked for my channel, and therefore it'll work for yours if you just repeat this. But however, of course, that doesn't matter because my site is not your site. Okay. With this, I can actually look at my viewers. I can look at my retention rate. I can look at my titles, my descriptions, and I can get the authoritas. I can get the authoritative answer to how to build my page even better. And that is just powerful, guys. So let's go over and take a look at it just now. Hi there, this is Gary, and you're welcome to Get Going Fast. My job is to get you guys into this hobby of AI in a fairly quick and efficient manner, and now you can actually learn something. Listen, there's a lot of guys out there that are trying to do this, that, and they never quite give you the information. They never quite give you what you need to get started. They assume you're already going. Listen, we're starting from the ground up and we're moving to the top. Now, I want to show you over here what YouTube has given us. And this is incredibly powerful. Now, my video here is going to be mostly blurred out because I don't want you seeing my private stuff. But I want you to notice this, and I bet you missed this. Check up here at the top. You see these buttons here? How did viewers find my content? How many new viewers did I reach? All this. Okay, these are all suggestions that when I click, are going to bring up a LLM chatbot for me to speak with YouTube. Okay. Now, those things, of course, will answer the questions you ask. So if you click on there and say, how many viewers did I reach? It's going to answer it. But we can also watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to click it. This thing's going to pop up. I can also stop it. Okay. I can cancel their response there. All right. And what would be the reason for me doing that? Well, the reason would be so that I can then communicate with this in more a more targeted fashion. So, for instance, I click on it, says how many people viewed my last video. It's going to tell you. Okay, great. That's awesome. Okay, I'm going to say, what's my retention rate? Because retention rates are important. Like, so they're clicking on the video. How many of you guys are staying? Stay. Okay, but how many of you are staying? It's going to answer. Okay, but what you can do with it is you can start to do things like this. Say, you can just talk to it like a normal LLM. In fact, before we move forward, if you remember our last video that I talked about a stream of thought or stream of consciousness prompting, do the same thing over here. Think about, what is it about my channel that I'm wanting to know, that I'm wanting to change, that I'm wanting to comprehend, and just babble that crap out to Google's, to YouTube's new thing here, and it's going to answer. So you might go in here and say something along the lines of this. I want to look at my site and I want you to help me to understand the metrics. Is this a growing site? Question mark. Is this a healthy site? Question mark. What are the top 3 things that I could do to make my site more accessible and to reach more consumers? Question mark. Okay, so you type that all in there because I'm curious. That's what I'm thinking. Remember that stream of consciousness thought. I'm not thinking of how to game this thing. I'm saying, what do I actually care about? And I'm saying it. Okay, and it goes out there, and then watch what happens over here. It goes through there and it pops it up, and all of a sudden you got a bunch of numbers that talk about conversions, all sorts of stuff. I don't want to go too much in there because, again, I don't want to give too much of my information. But the point is, all of a sudden, it gives you information that it is privy on. See, if I go to ChatGPT, I would have to copy and paste these screens. I would copy the screen, I'd paste it over there and say, here's my numbers, here's this, here's what I'm thinking. This is authoritative that has complete access to my information, which means I won't leave anything out because it has all of it. And then on top of it, because it's YouTube itself, it knows what's real. It knows the game. So I'm going to tell you a quick example. I typed over here. I was playing around before with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT had told me that in your video descriptions, you should never put an external link, because that external link, it said, will get you penalized by YouTube because they don't want you to leave the site. Okay, so let's say you go to your GPT, like, okay, whoa, I'm going to change it all up. Hey. Okay, then you go over here to your Google, to your YouTube one, and you ask the same question. This is the authoritative one. And what I did is I said, hey, I talked to GPT and they said this. And then what the authoritative answer was, that's incorrect. You don't get penalized for putting external links. However, you do get ranked on the length of sessions. And so if you put an external link, someone can click that and end that session, right? So downstream, it can end up hurting you, even though YouTube doesn't actually penalize you for it. That's a huge difference, okay? One was third-party information that was incorrect, and the other was straight from the horse's mouth itself, okay? That's huge. To me, that's huge. And just like any other LLM, you can sit here, you can converse with it, ask it all sorts of questions. It will, for the most part, help you to understand things. Ask it, say, hey, listen, this is something I'm worried about. This is what I'm thinking about. What about this? What about that? And it has the actual data. Now, I want to show you a couple small things about this. This is a fairly narrow focused chatbot. So while it's Google and YouTube, so it's awesome. Okay. At the same time, they've really keyed it in to keep errors from happening. So if you cuss at this thing, if you say, just give me the effing answer, it won't. It will not deal with cuss words. You cuss at it, you're done. You're out of the game. Okay. Not that you'll get penalized forever, but it'll just, I can't respond. If you, this one hits me hard. If you do a lot of misspelling, it'll say it can't do it. Okay. And then if you use things like angle brackets, like a less than greater than sign, it won't allow it. Now, the reason for this, I would assume, one, it doesn't want to deal with cuss words. It doesn't, if it cusses, don't even deal with it. Just throw it out. We don't even want to bother parsing it. Just don't deal with it. And if we don't deal with it, then nothing can fall through the cracks. Okay. That's what I'm assuming is happening there. With the misspelt words and the angle brackets, if you're getting these messages, it probably means what they're trying to do is protect themselves from what is called code injection. Okay, so a lot of times with bots, what people do is they'll kind of clever ways to put programming language in there. Okay, and then they can hack the thing. So if you put anything in here that looks like it's a programming symbol, it won't let you have it. So if you do get the message, just go back there and clean it up. I've done that multiple times. Fixed the spelling, removed certain things, and then asked again. And then this thing is on fire. And you can sit there, go through all your metrics, go through all of your stuff, go through all of your information, and help you to build your site with best practices. And that's, I think, what we're all wanting to do. We're wanting to see our views go up. So, all right. Well, there you go. You guys hang in there. Enjoy the rest of, I think today is Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Give the family a call. Tell them you're thinking about them. There ain't nothing better than family. AI is good. Family is better. Okay. So give them a call. Wish you all the best. We will catch you on the other side.